Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify T-Mobile account access using Scam Shield step by step clearly. To verify your T-Mobile account access using Scam Shield, begin by opening the T-Mobile app on your mobile device. Log in with your T-Mobile ID and password. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. In the menu, find and select Settings. Scroll down until you see the Scam Shield option and tap on it. You will be presented with various features related to Scam Shield. Look for the section labeled Account Verification. Tap on Verify Account to begin the verification process. You may be prompted to enter your phone number. Enter your T-Mobile phone number in the designated field. Next, choose how you would like to receive your verification code. This could be via text message or phone call. Select your preferred method and tap Send Code. Check your phone for the verification code sent by Enter the code into the verification field within the app. If the code is correct, you will receive a confirmation message. Once your account is verified, you can access all Scam Shield features. Review the available options to enhance your call protection settings. Consider customizing your preferences based on your needs. You have successfully verified your T-Mobile account access using Scam Shield. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.